CreekbeatersTV. Made possible by Butch and Cheryl King, Justin Hobbs Studio, Falcon Hooks, Basscasters USA, Titan Tungsten, Pulse Fish Lures, and PathfinderOutfitters.com.
Okay, our first morning out. I went straight to the worm. Austin's throwing a top water. So this is our first morning out on my roundabout. How many times have you had your kayak out, Austin? Twice. This is the second time? Three? Something just busted to your left on that point. Reverse. Stop me a little bit. There we go. Looks like it might be pretty shallow over here, but it'll hold fish. I was throwing the worm and didn't have any luck on it, so I switched over to the double-tailed jig. That's usually good for, rock bass, bluegill even sometimes, largemouth, smallmouth. What I'm trying to do right now, we're fishing a new body of water for me in Austin, and so I'm trying to just find something just to see what it is that they might be hitting, or even just chasing them for right now. If I just find something chasing this, then we'll know. Again, this is a searching bait. I'm just trying to find something. That might be hidden, and then that'll give us a little bit of a hint as to what we're dealing with here. I can know whether to go to the worm or top water or stay with this. See, right out in the middle. Let's try it out in the middle. Maybe we're doing it wrong, because there's a lot of activity out there. I don't know what's going on out there, but see, right there beside where I threw. Maybe we can get into some silver or something. Maybe they're running up through these channels. Austin's up there at that point. I'm just letting the boat just float back down this bank and fishing the bank as I come down through here. Man, there's stuff out. Look at that out there. All over. I'm going out there. There's a lot of action going on over there. This is my first time out on this roundabout, and it's a round boat. It's a funny looking little boat that's real stable. I've stood up in it already, and it's not bad at all. Make sure my trolling motor is off, and it is. So now let's see if we can't find out what's going on over here. might have just had a little tap. I don't see, yeah I do, they're still up there. See, that might be a ball of shad or something in there that's being chased by anything. It looks like it could be because I just saw one swim across the top there and it's kind of small, so. Could be shad. If something's feeding on them, maybe I can capitalize on that. They were pretty active there for a minute. There's still something out there going at it. See, up there by the boat ramp there's something chasing. That could be white bass, or silver as they're called here in Indiana. Could be. That was a bullet cast right there. That's one you go straight to action. Yeah, see, that could be shad. I can see them swimming around there. So maybe there is something out here chasing them. These roundabouts are pretty cool little boats. As you can see, it's got 4 rod holders on it. I got 2 rods in it, and I'm fishing with a rod. Ooh, I forgot about hooking my anchor up. I could hook my anchor up and I could stay wherever I want to, couldn't I? I think I'll do that real quick. Be back, guys. Alright guys, I've anchored. I've been watching these things bust over here, and now I'm going to try to lose my lure in the trees if I can. Highly recommended are these lanyards. Take these lanyards and hook your poles to them when you're in the boat. If this capsizes, yeah, they'll get in the water, but I can retrieve them. Man, these things are just busting all around me. Austin's making his way back here. I know he's gonna be mad at me because I didn't go with him. He'll come up and say, is this not a place you're gonna fish or what? Well, I'm trying to catch one. Trying to see what these things are out here. I haven't thrown a worm out there to maybe see if I can get a bite. I will. Anything yet?
Got one over there.
Did you? What on? Top?
Yeah. Got a little bass.
There's something blasting these things out here, Austin. I'm trying to find out what it is. I think it's a ball of shad, but something's feeding on them. I can't get them to hit. Where you are, all the way to where I'm at.
You just fishing here the whole time?
Yeah. Well, they were blasting the top out here.
I'll go down that way here in a minute.
What?
It looks good.
See? Did you hear what he said? I'm gonna go down there in a minute. That was my hint of, what are you doing here? We're racing. One of us is using a little more energy than the other though.
Get sideways on you.
Yeah.
One thing is this, don't have a hook.
Are you fishing now?
I guess.
Okay, well, I guess I'll go over and catch one.
It looks like they both go back around to the left here.
There's no reason I can't catch a fish up there, except for that, getting snagged up. That's one reason. Let's try it again. Check it out. Everything looks good. This here should hold fish, man. I haven't had a bite yet. I mean, not even a hit. Bluegill, rock bass, drum, anything. Nothing's hit it. So I'm kind of, I don't know. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to focus on this little area right here. Nothing?
I had one over here, he got off.
On top? He's still on top water, getting them, so let me try that. He said he caught a small one earlier, and he just said he had one over there, it got off, so let's see. What did you catch earlier, Austin? Smallmouth? I mean largemouth?
Pretty sure that's what this one was too. He just, I cast it, and right when it hit the water, I was just wasn't ready to hit it. I was trying to adjust my hand here, and I was like, oop, missed him.
Okay. I just threw the double tail out there and hooked up with something pretty strong. I think it's a silver. Yep, white bass. So we've got a white bass. Maybe we can make that today's yeah, nice little white bass. I'm not going to have any pictures of it, but you just see it on video. Maybe we can get into a school of those. Let's hope and pray. If I catch another one, I'm putting the anchor out. Oh, look who's coming. He saw me catch a fish. He's coming in hard, coming in hot. Huh? Do what?
Right there, I'm gonna fish there.
Okay. That was a white bass.
Was it?
Yeah. Hopefully there's a school of them.
Something. Monster. I don't know what it was.
You?
Big over here.
On you?
Yeah. Hit my, came up to the beach. Yeah.
Huh.
I watched one of the giant shallows right by the bridge, and then I threw it by the bridge, another one.
Really?
Hit me up under a stick and got off. Oh my god. Yep, there's that.
Oh, I got my worm out still, don't I?
Yeah.
I got my line out. Yeah, that was on a double tail jig white bass.
Yeah, the first one was before the bridge. It was just from the shade. I
Yeah.
was reeling in, all I saw was a huge shadow. I'm like, dude,
Huh.
not that big.
Might have been
Came up
musky.
and missed. Oh, frick. On that bridge there.
Yeah. Yeah, it might have been musky.
Well, I don't know. It looked like a smallmouth to me.
Did it?
When it came out, it looked like a smallmouth head.
Well, you know where you got your top water hit over here?
Mm-hmm.
That's where I threw.
There goes, yeah.
And that's where I got that silver. I'm being told there's fish here. I think he's lying to me, but we're going to try it. I left fish to come out here and try to catch a fish that I don't know is here. Just taking someone's word for it. Huh?
Follow me.
I'm talking to the camera. I'd appreciate it if you didn't mess up my videotaping, sir. I am a world famous YouTuber.
There's a stick up there, just so you know.
Okay. Huh?
If you can get, you cut a bridge.
Caught a bridge.
If you could get in between that wall and that log, I bet you.
I ain't laughing. No, just threw off the point of that pylon over there.
I thought you had a snag.
No, this is a state record largie. I haven't had a bite on a worm. I've caught 2 fish on these, but I hadn't had a bite on these until just recently, so I don't know what to tell you. He was barely hooked, and you're right, they do stink, don't they? Yeah, he was just barely through the skin there. That's a good 8-incher, 9-incher. Thank you, buddy. I'm very pleased with that. Let's try this pylon now. That's what I like about this boat. If it turns, I just turn my chair right back to where I was fishing. Yeah, you know why they stink, don't you? They're eating shad. Got another one off of that very same spot. He feels like a crappie. It's not though. That would be a... No, I'm looking. I think it's a little largie. Little largemouth. So that's number 3. Very same spot I caught the other one. What, the fish? Bank fishing from your kayak? Ain't nothing wrong with that. What you got on? Oh, you went over to double tail, didn't you? He's not going to answer because he knows Daddy's right. Oh, just had a bite, Austin. Oh, I got more than a bite, Austin. Bet you it's a white bass. Nope. Another largemouth, another small one. Man, they're so little. This is where I caught that white bass. Got another one. Oh, he got off. He got off. There you go.
I'm on.
Hi, Mom. You're on CreekbeatersTV.
This thing's got a rattle in it. I've had 7 hits already.
Have you?
Caught 3. Missed
Good.
4 of them. Tearing them up. That thing's a square bill.
Yep. You can't beat a square bill, man.
Good luck, guys.
See ya. Good luck.
Are you done?
Mm-hmm. Just getting some video. It's pretty out here.
Alright guys, it's Dave for CreekbeatersTV is what we're gonna call it, man. We're done. It's hot. Austin doesn't want to catch fish. Oh, we're out of here. Hey, I'll see you later.
See you later.
Now I have to come up with a steering wheel or something for it.
Just getting some.
Oh boy. Alright guys, it's Dave for CreekbeatersTV. This is what we're gonna call it, man. We're done. It's hot. Austin doesn't know how to catch fish. So We're out of here. Hey, I'll see you later.
See you later. Thanks.
What are you talking about? Creek Beaters TV? That's awesome.